As a flooring installer, you face many installation challenges. Moisture can be your biggest challenge, leading to warping, buckling, and expensive callbacks. With Wagner Meters' Orion pinless wood moisture meter, you can instantly check if your wood flooring is properly acclimated without damaging your planks, ensuring it's ready for a flawless installation. Floor Sentry easily turns any wood floor into a smart floor. Prove to clients that their flooring was installed in optimal conditions, safeguard your reputation, and empower your clients to monitor the health of their wood floor long after you are done. Wish you could continuously monitor your job site conditions? With the Smart Logger V2, keep a vigilant eye on ambient conditions 24/7, ensuring you know the perfect time to start your installation. When needing to test for concrete moisture, the Rapid RH system offers the fastest, most accurate, and cost-effective way to ensure your substrate is ready. Perfect installations start with the right moisture testing. Wagner Meters ensures your installations last a lifetime. Join a community where excellence in flooring installation is a standard, not the exception. Visit WagnerMeters.com and take the first step towards becoming a pillar of trust and reliability in the flooring industry.